hello there and welcome.
Hi, who is Glenn Dixon?
Glenn Dixon is a human being first, a designer second, someone who loves everything about life and the adventure of it.
How do you start out your day?
I start my day with a cup of coffee, and if I'm up early enough, I get to the gym.
What inspired you?
People inspire me. People that do miraculous things without any agenda. That inspires me. Also, nature.
What opportunity would you like to have if you're starting out in the industry?
The most important opportunity that there is a mentor. It's really important to get inspired by someone and actually learn from them.
What is your favorite space?
My bed on a Sunday morning if it's cloudy outside with Netflix.
Very comfy. What's the best compliment you ever received?
That I'm a kind person.
Aw, super sweet. What exciting thing in Canadian interior fashion right now?
The most exciting thing with interior design is technology. And why that's important is whatever we can imagine now, we can actually make, and it can become a reality.
Super exciting. What something you notice about a room when you first see it?
What I notice about a room is not the room, it's how I feel in it. Am I comfortable? Do I feel inspired? Do I feel sexy? That's what I notice.
Who is your fashion legend?
My fashion legend has to be my brother David Dixon. He'd kill me if I said anything else.
What one thing people do not know about you?
The size of my waist.
All right, so we go to the rapid fire question.
Okay.
Yellow,
Blue.
concept,
Idea.
texture,
Feeling.
red wine.
My friend.
Aw, thank you, Glenn.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Ciao.
Ciao.